Welcome to today's video. We're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many in the tech world. As AI technology continues to advance rapidly, there are growing concerns about its impact on jobs in various fields, including web development. Some worry that automation could make developers obsolete, while others believe it will enhance our roles. So, let's explore this topic together and find out what the future really holds for web developers. AI can automate repetitive tasks, making life easier for developers. Instead of replacing you, think of AI as a powerful assistant that can help streamline your workflow. While AI can handle certain coding tasks, web development still requires creativity and unique problem-solving skills. Developers who can think outside the box will always be needed to create engaging user experiences. As AI takes over simpler tasks, developers will have more time to tackle complex challenges. This shift can lead to more interesting and fulfilling work, allowing you to focus on innovative solutions. The tech landscape is always evolving. To stay relevant, embrace lifelong learning and explore how AI tools can enhance your skills and efficiency. This adaptability will keep you in demand. Instead of fearing AI, look for ways to collaborate with it. Use AI-driven tools to boost your productivity, improve code quality, and enhance project outcomes. Working alongside AI can make you a stronger developer. Thanks for watching. Make note of all these points. If you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to subscribe Pro Developing Champs. Web development is a great field if you know some of the important points related to it. Do watch this video to enhance your web development.